Faceless YouTube channels can now create realistic talking head videos without showing your own face or paying for expensive AI avatars. This free AI tool can turn a simple image into a professional presenter-style video. To get started, open any browser and search for Flow AI. Open the website and click on the New Project option. Once your project is created, tap on the Agent button. Now click on the Start button and select the Upload Media option to upload your image. After uploading your image, tap on the Add to Prompt button to add it to your project. Next, click on the Video option and adjust the settings according to your requirements. You can select the video ratio, choose how many videos you want to generate, and change the model to OmniFlash for better results. Now, write a detailed prompt describing the type of AI talking head video you want. Explain the presenter style, facial expressions, speaking style, movements, and lip sync details to create a realistic avatar. After your prompt is ready, click on the Submit button and wait for the AI to generate your video. Within a few minutes, your AI talking head video will be ready. You can preview the result and easily download it by clicking on the three-dot menu and selecting the Download button. Now you can create engaging videos for faceless YouTube channels, tutorials, and social media content without recording yourself or using expensive AI avatar tools.